Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'm going to be checking out these interesting looking things, which are shoe laundry bags. They basically help you wash your shoes. I mean, it's so beautiful, so nice and soft. Over here, we have that mesh, so there's, the water can go through all the way as well as, on the side. Let's see, nice little zipper right here. The softness I like because, if you're washing with other clothes and stuff, it's not going to basically ruin, the clothes that you have going on in there, unless you just wash it by itself. If you wash it with anything else, it's a protective layer. And it's nice and thick too. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, look at all those fibers on the inside. So these definitely are going to help clean and tickle your shoe. It can get all, the gross whatever is on your shoe, which is why you'll be washing it off. And I've used this already once and doesn't taint or color this nice yellow, so that's good. The only thing I did notice is that this got like a slightly dirty. I'm not sure exactly what that is from per se, but when it came out, it definitely didn't have that little stain. Yeah, if you're interested in washing your shoes and would like a little bit of, padding to help, definitely check these out. If you're interested in purchasing, check out the link below. If you want to learn how to become a product reviewer or anything like that, I have an online course for you, which is if you want to check it out in the link below. Or if you just enjoy product reviews, make sure to subscribe. I am on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. So hope to see you in the next video. All right, bye.